This is it. It is the week of Christmas, the 24th to the 30th, and somebody pretty big is coming into Las Vegas this week, and it is not Celine Dion this time. Merry Christmas Eve. So right now on the 24th, you can still go out and get pictures with Santa and get those last little wishes in for your Christmas list. So the rest of the week, there's still going to be holiday festivities. Enchant Las Vegas is still going on at the Las Vegas Ballpark. That's the Holiday Light Maze. That's the ice skating trail. Then we have Magical Forest at Opportunity Village. That's worth going and checking out, absolutely. And the Cactus Garden Lights over at Ethel M Chocolate Factory. Yummy! So, glittering lights also at the Las Vegas Speedway. So this week is a really great time to just still get out with your family, go check out some lights and relax, drink some hot cocoa, have a good time. Enjoy the holiday with the family, you guys. Merry Christmas.